This movie about how to boil eggs in a tea kettle. When you're alone and you bought a stove range and they didn't deliver it for you yet, they told you going to be delivered not today but tomorrow, not tomorrow even, in 1 week. What you have to do? And you were stupid enough to buy eggs. Yeah, and what you can do? And you have kettle. With tea kettle you can do everything. Okay, I prepared 3 eggs. It's here, and I'm going to boil it. And I know my father told me, I remember, 5 minutes is enough. But I think he was wrong. I will boil 7 minutes. Sorry, my father. Water in kettle is ready to be eggs put down there. Okay? How we doing that? I have to first open. It stopped, and I open cover, and I need spoon. I take the eggs and slow put it down. Booms! And another one. Booms! And another one. I have 4. All 4 is very good and ready to be cooked. Now I can close it and turn on power again. And now it's 8:20. In 8:27 I will take it and turn it off. Don't worry about it. It's all good. For the period when this egg's going to be ready, I'm going to drink a beer. In Dominican Republic they call Presidente. Well, it's not perfect, but it's drinkable. It's much better than Russian communist was making during the USSR time, is for sure. Let me open it and party begin for the 7 minutes. Yeah, in kettle they have some kind of automatic with temperature raise, whatever. They turn off water boiling system element, whatever, heater down, and time by time, every 2-3 minutes, you need to turn it on again. 7 minutes is not a long time. Okay, now let's go for next step. What I will do, I will put these eggs in cold water. It's also advice of my father because he told me that it's going skin of eggs going to be go much easier if I will do it. What I'm doing, I just open cold water and put it here. Okay? Boil an eggs, put in cold water. For process of and it is a very great idea to put a little bit salt there, but I couldn't put salt in tea kettle. Why I didn't put, but it's good to put salt. After turning cold water off, let it stay some time, probably another 7 minutes. Okay, I think now it's time. Okay, let me put my hand in. Perfecto. Perfecto. Yeah, and we can take these eggs from kettle. Yeah, and put in plate, for example, put in plate. A bowl, this is good bowl to put eggs. Yeah, and it's very good. You can keep it in the refrigerator for tomorrow breakfast. Okay, job is done.